weasel just wanted to frighten me, Thomas whistled.
Okay.
Oeh, jy sit so mooi stil hoor.
Ja.
Dis amazing. He's never sit this still ever before. No,
At
never.
last, Thomas reached the station on the other side of the hill. Thomas knew that soon the beach would be filled with happy vacations.
See Thomas.
I could never believe what Diesel said about the curse of the cliffs, wished Thomas.
Amion, look at Daddy.
In the future, Thomas decided he would believe in himself.
Kykie.
Amion,
Thomas.
over here.
Didi, kyk jy daar ry die trein vinnig, Amion.
Yay! Ami, over here.
Papa,
Kyk vir papa.
Kyk die trein se wiele, Ami.
Kyk vir Dad.
Kyk jy die trein gaan nou die mense optel. Neem foto, neem